Right now we assemble back the mold and for the ring. First, you see the ring is small one for the because it's small size. We should ensure the bearing. 3 pieces bearing there. 3 pieces bearing should see. 3 pieces bearing should be inside. Hole, yeah, bearing, yeah, 3 pieces. And then we assemble back the ring. Each side is 3 bearings, so 3 pieces small bearing, and then make it a little tight, make it a little tight. Same work for another side, same work for another side. Same work for another side. First assemble 2 pieces bearing, and then after putting into the bearing, and then we another 3 pieces bearing. The holder. Assemble back the holder to move it up. Assemble back the holder. Yeah. Assemble back. The height can be adjustable. The height can be adjustable. Should adjustment against after the all the mold assembled and adjustment. 是不是要跟它平这个？
矮一点点，平也可以。
Almost even, a little lower than this one.
不能高。
Not over than that one. Not over. A little short, a little lower. This one should be a little lower than this one. Yeah, this is 2 boards. The third port. Okay. Oh, of course, not forget this one. The 2 pieces, which one you had loose. Not forget tight it. Not forget to tight it. Now assemble back the mold. It's heavy because for the ball mold is heavy. You should be careful and hold it. Check the center. You see. Should be clean, and then assemble back. Assemble the mold. It's heavy. Be careful. Slowly, keep in center, and fix into. And of course, you should assemble back the pipe. The pipe for the blower, the help release the cap wall, release the wall body. Of course, another side, two pieces pipe. Another side, two pieces pipe. See the hole. Air blower help to release. Yeah, pipe. Two pipe will help to release blow the fan out, and what now assemble the center board, and then the three pieces. 它的高度不用调吗？
等一下报警嘛。
啊？
报警调这边。
哦。模具高度不用调。
这高度？
啊。
这高度调这边。
哦。
等报警看嘛。这摩托这装上就不动了。
The mode is low load adjustment. What now later will adjustment the height. Height against the wind. Maybe adjust the height there. First not too tight. First the 3 bolt, and for the center bolt not too tight, just a little, because we need adjustment to the height. We need adjustment to the bowl, the mold against the rim. We need a paper. To adjustment to fix the rim. Slowly drop to avoid. To check the height. What now assemble back the wind board. There is a rod, and the center there is a bearing. And then the bolts assemble. You should remember every time you do it, you should keep all the bolts, and the catching. Also keep all the bolts and the catching. Same work for the another side. Same work. Another side. Some workers assemble back like this. Slowly check the arthodic header will not down too much. because this one, if you from small mode to big mode, maybe with the problem, you will touch the mode and broken electronic. But for the big mode to the small mode, maybe not touch, But we should slowly be care. Adjust the wind to the mode. You need one paper for the to wipe the mode. To wipe the mode to check. Slowly jog.你直接关电源啊？
关电源也可以，不那也可以。
And here, loose the floorboard. Loose the floorboard to adjust the height, the mode height and angle to adjust the mode angle and to let it match the paper, to match the ring. Four sides should be tight and even, not movable. Four sides should be tight and even. And this side also. Another side also should check this one should be wiped on the wipe paper. Should wipe the paper, should be tight enough. That means cannot move. And also another side is the same. Another side is the same work. And after do it, you should fasten it. You should tight the board, very tight, almost very tight. To let it the mode or the electronic not movable. Here is just the mode and the ring. You see, to check the paper is movable or not. You check the paper cannot move. And then what now we tighten the file board. That means you want to make water JSM paper. You should use water JSM paper to check it. And after, then you check again. Check the gap again. Check the gap. What now adjustment the electronic header. 调节高度是吧？超声波高度。You see, this one is already touched the mode. So that's why for the small cups, from small cups to the big cups, you should be attention. This one for the electronic. You should be very attention. Rise to check the gap. Another side, same work. right. To check the gap. Should be even. This side and not that side, both sides should be even. And then tight it. Same for the same this side. This side also same one. Also should check the gap, check the outsonic to the mold gap. Just touch, not too tight. Just touch, not too tight. And then we assemble back the board, the rim board. Yeah, 螺丝. Assemble back the board. And use a spanner to tighten it. 这里。
是，我要那个17的。
Use spanner, two spanner. One is big, one is small to tighten it. And the same work for another side. Some work for another side. Some work for another side. Fix the board. Fix the rim board. Fix the rim board. Auto fix. Fix back. This. Auto fix. The hair should be movable, and the hair should be movable freely. Moved freely. Because this is wood, this is wood, bevel inside. This is also wood, bevel inside. Okay. Assemble back the nylon guide. Assemble back the nylon guide. After assemble, you should check the height. Assemble back the nylon. After assemble back, you should check the gap, and also should maybe should and adjustment almost for the even, and also the adjustment for the with the we need maybe need some paper for help because not too. Should check the even, check it even.
下面这个缝有5个公分就够了。
About 5 millimeter from the bottom, 5 millimeter from bottom, not too much. 5 millimeter from the board, So that's why we need a nickel paper for the help.